My name is Muhammad Akil Fitri bin Anwar from JCS 1431B. My program code is CS143 from Faculty Computer and Mathematical Science.
Assalamualaikum and hi to everybody. My name is Shaheen and I'm from Class B. Program code is CS143 and I'm from the Mathematical and Computer Science Faculty.
Hi guys, I want to introduce myself. I am Nur Irdina Darlia binti Muhammad Amir from group JCS 1431B. My course is Diploma in Mathematical Science from Faculty of Computer and Mathematical Science.
I would like to introduce myself. My full name is Nurfatina Billah binti Radzi. I am from group of JCS 1431B. My program code is CS143 and I am from Faculty of Computer and Mathematical Sciences.
My name is Aisha Elena binti Zainuddin, student ID 2022680164, group JCS 1431B, program code CS143, Faculty Computer and Mathematical Science. For our choosing cases and application involved, we choose the Pyramid of Giza, which is Khufu, and the pattern is pyramid. We also choose whiteboard, and the pattern is rectangular prism.
Pyramid of Giza. The Giza pyramids, built to endure an eternity, were constructed some 4,500 years ago. Pharaoh Khufu became the first Giza pyramid Puchak, circa 2550 BC. His Great Pyramid is the largest in Giza and towers some 481 feet, which is 147 meters above the plateau. Approximately 2.3 million blocks of stone were cut, transported and assembled to create the 5.75 million ton structure, which is a masterpiece of technical skill and engineering ability. According to the ancient Greek historian Herodotus, the Great Pyramid took 20 years to construct and demanded the labor of 100,000 men. The entrance to the Great Pyramid is on the north side, about 59 feet, which is 18 meters above ground level. A sloping corridor descends from it through the pyramid's interior masonry, penetrates the rocky soil on which the structure rests, and ends in an unfinished underground chamber. From the descending corridor branches an ascending passageway that leads to a room known as the Queen's Chamber and to a great slanting gallery that is 151 feet, which is 46 meters long. At the upper end of this gallery, a long narrow passage gives access to the burial room proper, usually termed the King's Chamber. This room is entirely lined and roofed with granite. From the chamber, two narrow shafts run obliquely through the masonry to the exterior of the pyramid. It is known whether they were designed for a religious purpose or were meant for ventilation. Above the King's Chamber are 5 compartments separated by massive horizontal granite slabs. The likely purpose of these slabs was to shield the ceiling of the burial chamber by diverting the immense thrust exerted by overlying masses of masonry.
Assalamualaikum and hi to everybody. My name is Shaheen and today I'm going to be talking about how to calculate the areas and the volume of Pyramid of Khufu. So first thing first, we're going to be centering the slant height, as it is very important to use afterwards. So the slant height, we'll be using the height and the width of the pyramid. So we're going to use the hypotenuse formula to get the answer. So after that, we're gonna get the slant height is 186.6387 meter. So now we're gonna be calculating the base areas. So the base areas is width multiplied by length. So the final answer for the base areas is 52,900. So now we're gonna be looking for the lateral areas. The lateral areas is 1/2 multiplied by the slant height and multiplied by the width. So the final answer for the lateral areas is 21,463.45 square meter. So now we're gonna sum up all of it to get the total area. So the total area is equal to base area plus all four of the lateral areas. So it's gonna be 52,900 multiplied by 4. It's gonna be 52,900 plus 4 multiplied by 21,463.45. So the final answer for the total surface area is 138,753.802 square meter. So now lastly, we're going to be counting the volume for the pyramid. The formula is 1/3 multiplied by the base areas and multiplied by the height. So it's 1/3 multiply 52,900 and multiply 147. So the final answer for the volume is going to be 2,592,100 cubic meter. So that is the final answer for the volume.
To whiteboard. There is actually a historical dispute over who invented the first whiteboard. Some say it was Martin Hite, a photographer who came up with the idea when he noticed that ink on the back of his film negatives could be easily wiped away. Others maintain that Albert Stallion, who worked for a major steel manufacturer in the UK, invented the whiteboard. Stallion proposed using enamel steel as a writing surface that would not be permanently stained by ink. Today, high-quality whiteboards are usually made of porcelain or enamel-coated steel, aluminium, or hard-coated durable films laminated onto a rigid surface which can provide a cost-effective, easily customized finish. These materials provide high visibility and virtually no staining, even after years of use.
Okay, this is the calculation. How to calculate this whiteboard? We should calculate the surface area. The formula of surface area is sum of all lateral face area. First, the height of this whiteboard is 90 cm, width is 1.7 cm and length is 91 cm. On this slide, surface area equal 91 cm multiply 1.7 cm multiply 2 plus 91 cm multiply 60 cm multiply 2 plus 90 cm multiply 1.7 cm multiply 2. The surface area equal 11,433.40 cm square. Then we can get the volume by multiplying the whiteboard's length, width and height. The volume of this whiteboard is 9,282 cm cube.
For our conclusion, according to the research, Frau Khufu constructed the first Giza pyramid 4,500 years ago. The Great Pyramid took 20 years to build and required 100 men's labor, according to the Greek historian Herodotus. The pyramid, with a surface area of 138,920 square meter and a volume of 2,592,100 cubic meters. The concept of effortless wiping away his film negative was developed by Martin Haig, who is photographer. Additionally, Albert Sterling created the whiteboard by applying enamel steel as a writing surface that could be used repeatedly without being permanently ruined by ink. But even after years of usage, these materials specialize in providing visibility and almost no tarnishing. According to the calculation, the surface area is 11,433.4 square centimeters, and also the volume is 9,282 cubic centimeters.